Hi, I'm Tommy Sotzer, Business Development Manager at Profile Industries, and today we're here in our lab in Rogers, Minnesota, and we're going to be sorting some steel shot on a rotary sorter. This specific steel shot sample is from a customer who's looking to remove broken, non-round shot from their good material to reuse in their shot peening process. Now we're going to use our bread and butter machine here at Profile, the rotary sorter. This machine has specifically solved many processing bottlenecks in all industry categories. The operation for the rotary sorter with steel shot is very straightforward. For this specific shot sample, we're going to run at 15 RPM going in the forward direction. Easy as hit run and we'll turn it up to 15. Now, for other steel shot samples, you might need to run in the reverse direction or you might need to turn it up to 25 to 30 RPM. Now we can run it also in reverse the same way. Hit run in reverse. The power with the rotary sorter is that we can run all different kinds of steel shot sizes on one core, no longer having to have multiple spiral separators. Now what happens next is what we like to call sorting magic. You have your round discharge at the front of the machine here, and you got your non-round discharge in the middle of the machine. Now the rotary sorter is easy to use. You'll hit the quality of material you'll need, and you'll be efficient in your operation. Now let's see our rotary sorter in action with our steel shot sample. Notice how easy it is to separate the imperfect shot, ensuring only the highest quality steel shot is selected. Our rotary sorter is not just about efficiency, it's about scale, capable of handling substantial quantities without compromising on precision or quality. And that's the rotary sorter by Profile Industries, your go-to for advanced sorting solutions. With our exceptional customer support and maintenance services, your operations will continue to run smoothly for the years to come. If precise sorting of steel shot or any other material is what you seek, reach out to us today. We'd be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you enhance your industrial material processing.